Anticipated 35% competitive advantage in defense, maritime security and robotics industries by Q2 2025. Global implications and predictions from analysts on strategic shifts in naval warfare technology. Date: February 10, 2025. Comprehensive overview. As we move towards the second quarter of 2025, the defense, maritime security and robotics industries are poised for significant transformation, primarily driven by advancements in technology and changing military strategies. Analysts are forecasting a remarkable 35% competitive advantage for companies and nations that effectively leverage these innovations, marking a pivotal shift in naval warfare technology and operational capabilities. Key trends influencing the future landscape. 1. Human-machine collaboration. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO) processes is becoming crucial in addressing the ongoing skills shortage in defense sectors. A notable case is the U.S. Air Force, which currently faces a deficit of 1,800 maintenance personnel. AI is projected to enhance operational efficiency by optimizing maintenance schedules and technician assignments, thereby enabling existing personnel to maximize their output. For instance, through predictive analytics and data-driven task optimization, AI can schedule maintenance activities closer to deadlines to increase yield, optimize the order in which tasks are performed for maximum efficiency, match technicians to tasks based on skill sets and availability, minimizing downtime. 2. Industry 5.0. The principles of Industry 5.0 are anticipated to humanize defense manufacturing. Emerging technologies such as extended reality (XR) are enhancing training and operational efficiency. The notion of the meta-operator, workers trained through XR to handle complex scenarios, demonstrates this shift. Companies are increasingly employing digital twins and 3D models to facilitate more effective maintenance on naval assets. Technicians can interact with virtual representations of complex systems, streamlining their work processes. 3. Asymmetric threats in naval warfare. The military landscape is evolving with a pronounced shift towards smaller unmanned systems. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has underscored how small, remotely piloted drones can neutralize larger naval fleets. In response, future naval designs are expected to integrate more unmanned vessels. Initiatives such as the U.S. Department of Defense's Replicator initiative emphasize the mass deployment of uncrewed systems to enhance operational flexibility and reduce personnel risks. 4. Cybersecurity imperatives. With increased digitalization in the defense sector comes heightened cybersecurity risks. The imminent Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) is set to enforce rigorous compliance standards across the defense industrial base by mid-2025. This framework aims to protect sensitive information, compelling defense contractors to bolster their cybersecurity measures to maintain both contracts and competitive edge. Common and divergent themes across sources. Analysts consistently highlight the integration of AI and autonomous systems as pivotal for operational effectiveness in defense. The emphasis on enhanced training through immersive technologies reflects a shared concern about the evolving nature of defense roles. Conversely, while some sources stress immediate operational impacts, others focus on long-term strategic shifts and regulatory implications, showcasing the multifaceted nature of these transformations. Timeline of key developments. 2024 – Initiation of planning and pilot programs for AI integration in Industry 5.0 principles with a focus on workforce shortages and enhanced training. Mid-2025 – Implementation of CMMC regulations compelling defense contractors to comply with new cybersecurity standards. Q2 2025 – Anticipated realization of a 35% competitive advantage in defense industries due to cumulative advancements in technology and operational strategies. In-depth analysis of source insights. Source: Rob Mather, VP Aerospace and Defense at IFS. In his analysis, Rob Mather outlines critical predictions for 2025.
1. Industrial AI enhancing MRO capabilities.
The ongoing skills gap in defense MRO is prompting organizations to look towards AI to enhance traditional talent strategies.
AI's applications in optimization are crucial for increasing efficiency, particularly as new aircraft and platforms enter service. 2. Humanizing manufacturing through Industry 5.0.
The meta-operator concept showcases how XR applications can improve training and operational processes, allowing workers to better navigate complex environments and interact with advanced manufacturing technologies.
3. Transformation of naval fleets due to asymmetric threats.
The impact of uncrewed systems on naval warfare is profound, reshaping fleet composition and operational strategies.
As demonstrated by the conflict in Ukraine, smaller, more agile vessels are becoming essential to modern naval warfare.
4. Cybersecurity as a priority for defense contractors.
With the CMMC framework set to be enforced, defense contractors must prioritize compliance to protect sensitive information and maintain their competitive positioning in the market. Conclusion.
As we approach the mid-2020s, the convergence of AI, autonomous systems, and stringent cybersecurity measures is poised to revolutionize the defense, maritime security,
and robotics industries.
The anticipated 35% competitive advantage will fundamentally alter the landscape of naval warfare technology and operational strategies, underscoring the importance of innovation and adaptability in the face of evolving global threats. Organizations that embrace these trends will enhance their operational capabilities, secure their assets, and ultimately redefine military effectiveness in a rapidly changing world. The anticipated 35% competitive advantage in the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025 reflects a multifaceted evolution in military technology and strategy with significant global implications. This shift is largely counterintuitive, as it suggests that smaller unmanned systems and enhanced artificial intelligence AI capabilities will redefine warfare, contradicting the traditional emphasis on larger, more expensive naval assets.
Counterintuitive insights. 1. The rise of smaller vessels.
The prevailing assumption in military strategy has been that larger ships and fleets are superior due to their firepower and presence.
However, the recent conflict in Ukraine demonstrates that small,
remotely piloted drones can effectively neutralize substantial naval forces. This shift towards smaller vessels indicates a strategic pivot where cost-effectiveness and agility are prioritized over traditional metrics of naval power.
2. AI as a workforce enhancer, not a replacement.
The integration of AI into military maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO processes suggests that AI's role is not to replace human technicians but to enhance their capabilities.
This counters the common fears surrounding job losses due to automation.
Instead, AI is positioned as a tool to optimize existing workforce capabilities, addressing skills shortages while improving operational efficiency.
3. Industry 5.0's human-centric approach. The concept of Industry 5.0 challenges the notion that automation inherently dehumanizes work environments.
Instead, it emphasizes the meta-operator, a worker enhanced by technologies like extended reality XR that facilitate training and operational effectiveness. This indicates a future where technology supports and enhances human roles rather than rendering them obsolete. 4. Cybersecurity as a competitive necessity. While digitalization is often seen as a risk factor, the upcoming Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) highlights that stringent cybersecurity measures are not merely compliance requirements but competitive advantages. Organizations that proactively enhance their cybersecurity posture are likely to secure more contracts, contradicting the assumption that cybersecurity is an ancillary concern rather than a core business strategy.
5. Decentralization of naval warfare. The anticipated shift towards uncrewed systems suggests a decentralization of naval warfare capabilities. This contrasts with traditional doctrines that emphasize centralized command and control. The U.S. Department of Defense's Replicator initiative, which aims to mass deploy uncrewed systems, underscores a future where operational flexibility and rapid deployment of smaller assets become essential for naval supremacy.
6. Enhanced training through immersive technologies.
The use of extended reality XR in training processes challenges the assumption that traditional training methods are sufficient for preparing personnel for complex operational environments.
XR allows for immersive scenario-based training that can expedite learning curves, suggesting that the future of military training will rely more heavily on technology to prepare personnel for real-world challenges.
7. Operational efficiency over size.
The defense industry's shift towards operational efficiency driven by AI and autonomous systems contrasts with the historical emphasis on the sheer size of military assets. The notion that bigger is better is being replaced by strategies that focus on how effectively resources are utilized,
emphasizing agility and responsiveness in military operations.
8. Interconnectedness of compliance and competitive advantage. The CMMC's role in shaping operational protocols reveals an interconnectedness between regulatory compliance and market competitiveness. Organizations that view compliance as a burden may overlook its potential as a strategic differentiator in securing contracts and maintaining operational integrity.
Conclusion.
The anticipated 35% competitive advantage by Q2 2025 is indicative of a fundamental transformation within the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries. As traditional paradigms of warfare and military operations evolve, the integration of AI, autonomous systems, and stringent cybersecurity measures will create an environment where smaller, more agile, and technologically enhanced forces will prevail. This shift challenges long-standing beliefs about the nature of military power, emphasizing efficiency, adaptability, and the strategic application of emerging technologies in redefining naval warfare. Key insights and overlooked content in the report. The report presents a comprehensive overview of anticipated transformations in the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025, predicting a significant 35% competitive advantage driven by technological advancements. While the report outlines several crucial trends, there are specific elements that many readers might overlook, yet they hold substantial significance. 1. Human-machine collaboration beyond efficiency. While the report emphasizes AI's role in optimizing maintenance schedules and addressing the skills gap in defense, the broader implications of human-machine collaboration are often understated. This collaboration is not merely about efficiency but is also pivotal in reshaping military culture and operational philosophy. Significance. Understanding the shift towards human-machine collaboration helps contextualize how military personnel will adapt to new technologies and the potential psychological impacts of these changes.
As human roles evolve,
there will be a need for new training paradigms that not only impart technical skills but also foster trust in AI systems. This cultural transformation can affect morale, decision-making, and the overall effectiveness of military operations.
2. Impact of Industry 5.0 on workforce dynamics.
The report mentions Industry 5.0 and the concept of the meta-operator, which represents a future worker enhanced by immersive technologies.
However, the nuances of how this shift will alter workforce dynamics are underexplored. Significance.
The transition to Industry 5.0 signifies a move towards more personalized and human-centric manufacturing processes. This could lead to a redefinition of job roles where workers are not just operators but also innovators and problem solvers who leverage technology to enhance their capabilities. The implications for workforce development, including retraining and upskilling initiatives, are critical for ensuring that the defense sector can adapt to these changes without losing valuable human insight and creativity. 3. Asymmetric threats and naval warfare. The discussion on asymmetric threats primarily focuses on the rise of smaller unmanned systems in naval warfare. However, the strategic implications of this shift are profound and deserve further exploration. Significance.
The rise of unmanned systems challenges traditional naval doctrines and could lead to a rethinking of naval strategy and fleet composition.
It raises questions about the future role of large manned vessels and the necessity of investing in costly platforms when smaller, cheaper alternatives can achieve similar or greater effectiveness.
Moreover, this shift may encourage a more decentralized approach to naval operations, leading to new alliances and tactics that could redefine maritime security dynamics globally.
4. Cybersecurity compliance as a competitive factor. The report highlights the upcoming Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) but does not delve deeply into its potential economic ramifications for defense contractors.
Significance.
As cybersecurity becomes a prerequisite for maintaining contracts, companies that fail to comply may not only lose their existing contracts but also face diminished competitiveness in a rapidly evolving market. This creates a two-tiered system where organizations that invest in cybersecurity will have a strategic advantage over those that do not, potentially leading to a consolidation of market power among a few key players who can meet these rigorous standards.
The economic implications of this shift could reshape the defense industrial base,
influencing everything from innovation to pricing strategies.
5. Long-term geopolitical consequences.
The report mentions the technological advancements and operational shifts but does not thoroughly cover the long-term geopolitical ramifications of these changes.
Significance. The integration of AI autonomous systems and enhanced cybersecurity measures in defense could alter global power dynamics.
Nations that lead in these technologies may gain significant leverage over their adversaries, reshaping alliances and geopolitical strategies. Furthermore, as smaller nations adopt these technologies, there could be a democratization of military capabilities that allows for non-state actors in smaller nations to challenge traditional powers. This shift could lead to increased instability in regions where asymmetric warfare becomes the norm, necessitating new diplomatic strategies and conflict management approaches. 6. Integration challenges and resistance to change. While the report focuses on the benefits of technological integration, it does not adequately address the potential challenges and resistance associated with such changes.
Significance.
The implementation of advanced technologies often encounters resistance from personnel accustomed to traditional practices. Change management becomes a crucial factor in successful integration, requiring robust strategies to foster acceptance and utilization of new tools. Understanding the human factors and organizational culture that may impede or facilitate this transition is essential for leaders in the defense sector to navigate the complexities of modernization effectively.
Conclusion.
The anticipated 35% competitive advantage in the defense, maritime security and robotics industries by Q2 2025 heralds a transformative era driven by technological advancements. However, the overlooked aspects of human-machine collaboration, workforce dynamics, strategic implications of asymmetric threats, cybersecurity compliance, geopolitical consequences, and the challenges of integration present a complex landscape that requires careful consideration. By acknowledging these dimensions, stakeholders in the defense sector can better prepare for the profound changes ahead, ensuring they are not only reactive but also proactive in shaping the future of military operations and strategies. For most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion.
1. Human-machine collaboration in maintenance and operations.
Overview. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into military maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO) processes is expected to tackle the skills shortage within the defense sector effectively. This technology will optimize maintenance schedules, technician assignments, and overall operational efficiency. Discussion points. Impact on workforce. How does AI-driven optimization address the existing personnel shortages, particularly the reported deficit of 1,800 maintenance technicians in the U.S. Air Force? Operational efficiency. What metrics can be used to assess the improvements in maintenance yield and technician productivity due to AI? Future workforce dynamics.
As AI takes on more roles in maintenance and repair, what implications does this have for workforce training, job roles, and the overall skills required in the defense sector? 2. Industry 5.0 and the meta-operator concept.
Overview: The principles of Industry 5.0 are revolutionizing defense manufacturing by humanizing processes and enhancing training through advanced technologies such as extended reality (XR). The emergence of the meta-operator signifies a new type of worker who uses these technologies to interact with manufacturing systems.
Discussion points. Training innovations. How will XR technologies reshape training programs and operational procedures in military contexts? What specific scenarios can XR simulate that traditional training cannot? Implementation challenges. What are the barriers to implementing Industry 5.0 principles in existing defense manufacturing environments? Impact on productivity. How might the meta-operator model influence productivity and job satisfaction among defense workers? 3. Asymmetric threats and the evolution of naval warfare.
Overview: The shift towards smaller unmanned systems represents a significant change in naval warfare dynamics.
As seen in the Ukraine conflict, smaller drones have effectively countered larger naval fleets, leading to new designs and operational strategies. Discussion points. Strategic shifts. What are the implications of the Replicator initiative and the focus on mass deployment of uncrewed systems for traditional naval strategies and doctrines? Technology integration. How will future naval designs balance traditional crewed vessels with autonomous systems, and what technological advancements are necessary to facilitate this? Geopolitical considerations. How might these shifts in naval capabilities affect global military balance and international maritime laws?
4. Cybersecurity imperatives in defense. Overview: The upcoming Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) will implement stringent compliance standards across the defense industrial base. This move is essential for safeguarding sensitive information against rising cyber threats.
Discussion points. Compliance challenges. What challenges do defense contractors face in meeting CMMC standards? And how can they ensure compliance to maintain their contracts? Cybersecurity as a competitive advantage. How can enhanced cybersecurity measures translate into a competitive advantage for defense contractors in an increasingly digital landscape? Broader implications. What does the alignment of cybersecurity standards among the Five Eyes nations imply for international defense collaborations and information sharing? Conclusion.
The anticipated competitive advantage in the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025 is influenced significantly by human-machine collaboration, Industry 5.0 principles, the evolution of naval warfare,
and stringent cybersecurity measures.
Each of these points warrants in-depth exploration to understand their implications for the future of defense technologies and strategies. Addressing these discussions will provide valuable insights into how military capabilities and operational efficiencies will evolve in a rapidly changing global landscape. 1. The development of the U-boat campaign in World War I. The U-boat campaign during World War I showcases a significant shift in naval warfare due to technological innovation and asymmetric threats. German U-boat submarines leveraged advanced technology to disrupt Allied shipping lines, demonstrating how smaller, agile vessels could effectively target larger naval fleets. The introduction of unrestricted submarine warfare forced the Allies to adapt their naval strategies, ultimately leading to the development of convoy systems and anti-submarine warfare tactics. This campaign illustrated the transformative impact of emerging technologies on naval engagements. Similar to the anticipated changes in naval warfare technology driven by unmanned systems and AI. 2. The Falklands War in 1982. The Falklands War between the United Kingdom and Argentina provides another historical parallel. The conflict highlighted the effectiveness of smaller, more agile naval forces and air power in modern warfare. The British employed aircraft carriers and submarines while the Argentinians utilized Exocet missiles launched from small ships. The war's outcome demonstrated the importance of technological superiority and strategic adaptability in naval warfare. This mirrors the current trends of integrating unmanned systems and advanced technologies into naval operations, emphasizing the need for nations to re-evaluate their naval compositions and strategies.
3. The Gulf War 1990 to 1991.
The Gulf War marked a significant shift in military operations due to the use of advanced technologies including precision-guided munitions, stealth aircraft, and real-time surveillance. The United States military's overwhelming technological advantage allowed for rapid and decisive operations, fundamentally changing the landscape of modern warfare. The reliance on technology in information warfare in the Gulf War is analogous to the emerging trends in the defense sector, where the integration of AI and autonomous systems is expected to redefine operational strategies and capabilities in naval warfare by 2025. The lessons learned from the Gulf War about the importance of technological supremacy are pertinent as military strategies evolve to incorporate new advancements.
Future outlook. Predictions for the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025.
As we approach Q2 2025, the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries are poised for a significant transformation, with analysts predicting a 35% competitive advantage driven by advanced technologies and strategic military shifts.
The following predictions outline the anticipated developments that will shape the future landscape of these sectors. 1. Enhanced human-machine collaboration. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into military operations will reach new heights by 2025.
AI is expected to play a vital role in maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) processes, addressing personnel shortages and optimizing operational efficiency. Specifically, AI-driven technologies will streamline maintenance schedules and technician assignments, allowing military forces to maximize their existing workforce capabilities. As the shortage of skilled maintenance personnel persists, the defense sector will increasingly rely on AI to enhance technician productivity and ensure aircraft readiness.
Prediction: by mid-2025 we will see a marked increase in the adoption of AI-powered MRO solutions, resulting in improved maintenance efficiency and reduced downtime for military assets. 2. Adoption of Industry 5.0 principles.
The introduction of Industry 5.0 principles will humanize defense manufacturing, emphasizing the role of workers and enhancing training processes through immersive technologies. Emerging concepts such as the meta-operator will redefine the skills and training required in the defense workforce. Extended reality XR applications will become commonplace, providing training simulations that mirror complex real-world scenarios, ultimately shortening the learning curve for new personnel.
Prediction: by Q2 2025 XR technologies will be widely integrated into training programs, leading to a more skilled and adaptable workforce in the defense sector. 3. Shift towards asymmetric naval warfare.
The landscape of naval warfare will continue to evolve, with smaller unmanned systems becoming increasingly significant. The recent conflicts, including the one in Ukraine, have demonstrated the effectiveness of low-cost remotely piloted drones against traditional naval forces.
As a result, future naval designs will prioritize uncrewed vessels, enabling greater operational flexibility and cost efficiency.
The U.S. Department of Defense's Replicator initiative will catalyze this shift, focusing on the mass deployment of uncrewed systems to enhance naval capabilities. Prediction: by mid-2025 the composition of naval fleets will heavily feature unmanned vessels, fundamentally altering naval operational strategies and reducing reliance on traditional crewed ships. 4. Cybersecurity as a strategic imperative.
With the increasing digitalization of defense operations, cybersecurity will emerge as a top priority. The Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) is set to be enforced by mid-2025, mandating compliance from defense contractors to protect sensitive information.
Organizations that fail to meet these standards risk losing contracts and competitive positioning within the defense industrial base.
Prediction: the defense sector will see a surge in investments in cybersecurity technologies and protocols by 2025. Driven by compliance requirements and the need to safeguard critical assets from cyber threats. 5. Greater investment in autonomous systems. In response to asymmetric threats and the need for enhanced operational capabilities, there will be a significant increase in the development and deployment of autonomous systems across military operations. This shift will include the design of new vessels that incorporate advanced autonomous capabilities, enabling them to operate with minimal human oversight. The focus on data collection and analysis from these systems will be paramount to improving mission success rates. Prediction: by Q2 2025, autonomous systems will be integral to military operations, with increased funding and research dedicated to their development and integration into existing naval fleet structures. 6. Collaborative defense manufacturing ecosystems. The shift towards collaboration among defense manufacturers will be crucial for advancing technological capabilities. Partnerships between traditional defense contractors and tech startups will foster innovation, leading to the rapid development of new solutions, particularly in AI, robotics, and cybersecurity. These collaborative ecosystems will focus on sharing knowledge and resources to address emerging threats and operational challenges. Prediction: by mid-2025, we will witness the establishment of several strategic partnerships aimed at accelerating innovation within the defense manufacturing sector, leading to the creation of cutting-edge technologies. Conclusion: in summary, the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries are on the brink of a transformative period characterized by the integration of AI, autonomous systems, and stringent cybersecurity measures. As we approach Q2 2025, the anticipated 35% competitive advantage will stem from these advancements and strategic shifts, fundamentally altering military capabilities and operational approaches. Embracing these trends will enable defense organizations to optimize their operations, enhance workforce capabilities, and ensure the security of critical assets in an increasingly complex global landscape.